Welcome back to the Question Lab.
Let's see how much do you know about freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Question number 1. When was Bhagat Singh born? On 27th of September 1907. Question number 2. Which college did Bhagat Singh join in 1923, founded 2 years earlier by Lala Lajpat Rai? National College. Question number 3. Which organization was founded by Bhagat Singh in March 1926? Naujawan Bharat Sabha. Question number 4. Bhagat Singh, Shivaram, Rajguru and Chandra Shekhar Azad were part of which revolutionary group? Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Question number 5. Bhagat Singh killed British police officer John Saunders to avenge the death of which Indian freedom fighter? Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 6. Bhagat Singh was executed in which of the following case? Lahore conspiracy case. Question number 7. When was Bhagat Singh executed? On 23rd of March 1931. Question number 8. Bhagat Singh was executed at the age of 23. Question number 9. In a case of mistaken identity, Bhagat Singh killed John P. Saunders, an assistant superintendent of police, instead of James Scott. Question number 10. Who accompanied Bhagat Singh in his Central Legislative Assembly bombing? Batukeshwar Dutt. Question number 11. What is Bhagat Singh's slogan? Inquilab zindabad. Question number 12. Which among the following book is written by Bhagat Singh? To young political workers. Question number 13. Bhagat Singh was kept in which jail before execution? Central Jail Miyawali. Question number 14. For how many days freedom fighter Bhagat Singh's hunger strike, which is one of the world's longest hunger strikes at that time in 1929 in Miyawali jail lasted? for 116 days. Question number 15. Which of the following essay was written by Bhagat Singh while he was in Central Jail Lahore? Why I am an atheist. Question number 16. Which day is observed as Shaheed Diwas or Martyrs Day in India? On this day, Bhagat Singh, Shivaram, Rajguru and Sukhdev Thapar were hanged to death by British colonizers in 1931 in Lahore conspiracy case. On 23rd of March. Question number 17. In which year a postal stamp was issued in India commemorating the birth anniversary of Bhagat Singh? In 1967. Question number 18. When did an 18-foot tall bronze statue of Bhagat Singh was installed in the Parliament of India? On 15th of August 2008. Question number 19. On the 15th death anniversary of Bhagat Singh, a museum was inaugurated in his ancestral village. What is the name of the museum? Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh Museum. Question number 20. 5 rupees coin was released by RBI on the occasion of Shahid Bhagat Singh 100th birth anniversary. Don't forget to comment that how many answers did you get right. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.